Hello YouTube, today we'll be doing an unboxing on my 1993 Tamiya Toyota Supra. I will admit I already have opened this previously and just marked out a few bits and had a look around. Here's the shell, which is nicely produced. I've marked these out for the mould lines to get rid of them, but there's not many marks and should be fairly easy to paint and prime. This is the first set of parts. We have the base here, which is fairly detailed. You've got the drive shaft, the petrol tank, but not much else, so you can detail it well with all the components. Here's some engine parts, including the radiator, twin turbos, a valve cover for the 2J, airbox and front radiator shroud, rear wing, front discs. Probably won't end up using these turbos, but nice to have them. Here's the front bonnet or hood. This is the front chin spoiler. The bonnet, what would you call it? Probably vent for the, I think it's the European version, which is what I should be building. Radiator fan, intake manifold, rear brakes, mirrors, oil cooler, the little inserts for the mirrors there. Here are the wheels. Standard Mark IV Supra wheels, which they're very good copies of the original, but these won't be used. I'll be going aftermarket route. Same with the tyres, they'll probably just be kept as spares. Second packet, we have what looks like a lot of chassis components and the main engine and gearbox for the 2J, the steering shaft, or well, it would be the steering rack in real life. Front anti-roll bar. I'm guessing these are rear springs and front springs. This is, I think, the front under tray with the control arms, and this is part of the rear subframe down here. And then there's some more rear subframe, rear diff. That's the timing cover for the engine. Here's the other half. Here's the exhaust, which I'll probably cut it off here just after where the cats are, and then make this rear section from scratch with nice cannon on the back, because everyone likes a bit of noise. The next tree we've got the interior, which is moulded in one piece. The rear seats in. We have multiple sets of wipers. Turn it over. We've got the steering wheel, which will probably be replaced. Rear view mirror, gear knob, another rear wiper. We have the seats, dashboards for right hand drive, which is probably what I'm going for, and then also left hand drive, so nice to have a spare. Seats I'm not sure if I'm going to keep yet. It's part of the centre console. Oh, there's left and right hand drive centre consoles too, so I'll probably put some nice bucket seats in there, make it different. And in the last bag you have the glass all in one piece, which will need to be masked off and painted black. You'll have the focuses, the front headlights, and we have the inside of the tail lights here, exterior of the tail lights, and then there are little reflectors and stuff like that, which on the European version, well, I especially know the UK version of the Supra, we didn't have the reflectors, so they won't be going on. And here's a look at the decal sheet. So there's Japanese and California number plates. Probably not going to use either and make my own. There's the colour for the reflectors. Again, probably not going to use them. Some Supra logos and the 2J engine logos for the 3 litre, and then a windscreen sun visor banner. So overall it's a well detailed kit. Have a quick look over everything again. Well detailed kit, and I think it took a while to make, and for Tamiya are always very good on quality. Probably one of the best compared to probably Fujim or Aoshima, however you pronounce that. I've probably butchered their names, but can't wait to build this one, see how it turns out. I will add in some photos at the end of the car loosely put together on the standard wheels, just so you have a rough idea of what it would look like if you want to go down that route. I'll open the instructions and show you, for anyone wondering what the instructions are like. Normal Tamiya style instructions. There's the engine bay and components there. Putting on all the wheels. Nicely printed out. Well detailed. There's that little hood vent, hood scoop, whatever you'd call it for the European version. And I like how they do the details for the different continents, and also I like how they do the details of having like left and right hand drive, the different windscreen wiper options, and or windshield and stuff like that. But I'll throw some pictures at the end of this on the standard wheels, and if I've chosen the wheels I want to use, I'll probably put a picture of them in as well. But thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully post more like this in the future.